Hi friends, it's your Chef Shaikh again. Today we're gonna make a Handi Meat. So this is a traditional dish and used to be made in different ways. You can make it dig in the ground and make fire, and when it comes cold you put a handi in there and put old coal on top of that. So, but today we're gonna make a different way. Today we're gonna make in our oven. Like last video, I was showing you my own made oven. So I'm trying what else I can make in there. So today I'm gonna make handi in there. So handi is a clay pot. It's made by clay. So it's a traditional way to cook it. So I show you handi. I said this is a handi, right? And we're gonna make in this oven. Okay. So friend, before we start cooking, I tell you my ingredients, what I'm gonna use in that. So lamb leg meat, and so bones. I'm using lamb because it's very tasty and tender become. And I got some green chili, garlic, tomatoes, coriander, ginger paste, and using sea salt and black pepper. This is not ordinary black pepper. Is a 3 black pepper in there. It's a black pepper, white pepper, and red pepper. So I crush this all black pepper, so its taste is very nice. And got this thyme, cumin seed, paprika powder, and I got crushed red chili, and I got this mixed herb, and I'm using tomato paste as well. Alright, and we start making this. Before, I'm gonna put some fat on the base. Then I'm gonna put my meat. It's quite big pieces. I'll show you when it's finished how I made a layer on there. Okay, I made my layer, right? So after layer, I'm gonna put some salt in there. And some crushed red chili, some black pepper. So now I'm gonna put tomatoes on there. So then I'm gonna make a layer of tomatoes. And then I'm gonna put a layer of fat. Okay, so I made a layer of fat. So now again I'm gonna make a layer of meat. And if after cooking, is so delicious. Okay, I made a layer of meat. Now I'm gonna put some fat here as well. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put whole green chili. About 6-7. So I got 2 kg meat. Spoon is a tomato paste. I put some 2 spoon ginger. Some more salt. Again same sea salt. Black pepper, mixed black pepper. It's about 2 spoons. Mix herb, 1.5 spoon. Corn powder, 1 spoon. Paprika, 2 spoons. Crushed chili, 2 spoons. So I got this small spoon, so sometimes I put extra. And thyme, just nearly 1 spoon. I'm gonna put some garlic. I just cut the garlic, about 5 garlic cloves. And 3 mint. This is my garden mint, fresh. Yeah. And I'm gonna put some fresh coriander. Okay, again, we're gonna make a layer of tomatoes. Okay, I cut the tomatoes, so I'm gonna put tomatoes on there, layer. Yeah, and now I'm gonna put some olive oil. And a little bit water. It's about 1/4 liter. I put water in there. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put some onion in there. You put spoon onion. So it just we want the juice for onion. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna seal with flour. Okay, I put all flour around. What happens when I'm gonna put lid on top, it will become like a pressure cooker. So all the steam will stay in there. Okay, so I'll put the lid on top there. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the oven. Okay, now I'm gonna put a lid on top, so it will cook slowly in there. Okay. Just close the stop on. That's it. It's gonna take 2 hours, so hopefully it will be nice. And we're gonna check this, what's happening there, because I've been doing, this is my first time I'm doing in this one, so we'll see. Okay, friend. We open all this. Now gonna check what's happening inside. Oh wow, beautiful. See, friend, this is beautiful, very nice. Yeah, friend, this is ready. My dish ready is called Handi Meat, and what do you think? And it's so tender meat, you know? And it takes 2 hours to cook in there, and it took 2 hours. It's the first time I made this in oven, but it's a very tender meat, and it's very nice. You can serve with this naan, or so you can serve with rice, but with the rice it's nice. So friend, what do you think about this? And it's very delicious, really, and very tender. If you like it, share this video and subscribe, and tell me on comments what you think about it. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.